All right, my fine Tusilians, we're working on writing. We're working on using our adjectives or our descriptive words. Remember, we're using our adjectives or our descriptive words to describe our nouns. So we're using our adjectives to describe our people, places, and things. So just like the last two lessons, we're going to start with a boring or snoozeville sentence, and then we're going to add adjectives to make it more interesting. Okay, so let's see what I have for you today. Oh, here's a nice snoozeville sentence for us. The boy, and remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. All right, let's start up here with the boy is playing in the park. Oh my goodness, is that snoozeville? Boring. No details, no description. Oh. Oh yeah, wake up, wake up. Just like 50 below zero there, I almost fell asleep. So let's dress this up. Let's make this sentence more detailed because that is not going to suffice. So we're going to use some adjectives, some descriptive words to describe our nouns. So let's see what nouns we have in here. Two nouns in here, and I hope you can identify them by now. Here's a person, the boy. Okay, so I'm going to underline that. And here's a place, the park. All right, so we're going to describe boy and we're going to describe park, but first let's describe the boy. Now we've used some adjectives to describe the boy before it went in our other sentences like friendly and happy, so I'm going to try to use something a little bit different today. So I'm going to call him honest, and I'm going to call him not happy, but a different word to describe happy. I'm going to describe him as joyful. So we're going to say the honest, joyful boy is playing in the park. So let's change this sentence. The honest, there's our first adjective. And remember, between the adjectives, we use this comma. Joyful, that means he's happy. Boy is playing in the park. Okay, we're stretching it out a little bit now. We're giving it some legs. We're getting jiggy with it by adding a couple of adjectives. So once again, we're going to underline those nouns. So boy and park. And now we're going to underline our adjectives. So I got two adjectives here, honest and joyful. What kind of boy is he? He's an honest, joyful boy. So those adjectives directly describe that noun, and that's what we're doing. We're using our adjectives or descriptive words to describe our nouns. So there we go. Honest, joyful boy is playing in the park. Okay, now, one more noun to describe here, right? We didn't describe park. We've described the boy, but we haven't described the park. So let's go ahead and do that. So how could we describe the park? Let's see. We've used beautiful before. I'm going to say, I'm going to call it lush. That means it's very grown over. And I'm also going to say it's going to be fun. Let's say that. Let's say lush, fun park. All right. So our sentence changes now. The honest, joyful boy is playing in the lush, ooh, I like that, lush, what else do I have? Fun, yeah, fun park. Okay, period at the end of that sentence. Now I got a little crowded here. I could have gone a little bit more spacious, but that's okay. So, our nouns, boy, park, excellent. Our adjectives, honest, joyful, lush, fun. So the boy is honest and joyful, The park is lush and fun. All right, so this is similar to the sentence where we had the dog playing in the park, but now we got the boy playing in the park. So we tried to use some different adjectives here. I tried to describe the fun as lush and fun. I think last time we described it as beautiful and green. So we're using different adjectives now. We're building our vocabulary, or building words we know. Okay, now it's your turn. All right, and I'm going to give you a real interesting snoozeville sentence. The cat is sleeping on the rug. All right, so I'll help you out here. I'll point out your nouns. The cat is one of the nouns. It's a thing. And rug is another noun. It's a place or a thing. It could be either one there. So get yourselves 2 adjectives to describe cat. Get yourself 2 adjectives to describe rug. There we go. There's my first writing lesson from home. You can tell I'm dressed a little more casually because I'm working from home. I don't have to dress up anymore. So a little bit of a casual writing lesson for you. All right, go ahead.